po yung mga particular or specific actions po na gagawin po inside po ng program po ng
As I have mentioned, it will strengthen the family, the involvement of the family in the students. Yung mga students natin na naka-enroll sa paaralan, i-involve sila para mas strengthen yung relationships nila. Now, I know you have a question about that. Paano? Okay? In our school, locally, we are trying to reach out to your parents and involve all of your parents in all kinds of activities in the school to show their support to you. Kaya nga lang, hindi siya ganon ka-friendly sa parents. Kumbaga, hindi talaga siya implemented, required, hindi eh. Okay, although the PTA conferences required siya dapat. Pero, nasusunod ba? Okay, doon kasi dinidiscuss yung mga bagong projects. Doon dinidiscuss yung mga bagong ini-implement sa school or yung luma na tapos dapat i-reiterate. Now, I just have this experience in De La Salle before. Mga college na sila, di ba? Matatanda na, kumbaga kung tutuusin, compared sa mga high school students. However, I saw them in their enrollment, kasama parents, doon sa opening program nila sa college, freshman welcome, kasama din magulang.